Formula One is a huge team sport. To be competitive in Formula One is a huge challenge. Time is critical in Formula One. There's no room for error. Race cars require precision, technical and operational excellence. In order to succeed in Formula One, we must be competitive in every part of our activity. Above all, it's a team sport in which every part of the team must be successful. We chose the Breton solution because very early on we identified a technical partner who understood our requirements. Not just our requirements today, but our requirements going into the future. The two matrix machines and the building to house them were clearly a substantial expense, but nevertheless represented very, very good value for money. And we've been very pleased with the productivity, the uptime of the machines, the running costs of the machines since we've had them fully operational.
We found that the machine tools supplied to us by Breton have surpassed our expectations in many ways. We're extremely pleased with the accuracy and the speed of the machines, and that means we are now capable of machining the biggest component and the smallest component with improved accuracy. The quality of the matrix has been fantastic for us. Fantastic precision on all of the parts that we've machined so far, including small parts, including big parts. The 2019 chassis patterns are the most accurate we've had for a long, long time, so we're extremely happy. The speed for us is very important. We have a race every 2 weeks on the circuit, but we also have a race to supply upgraded parts to the car to improve our performance, to make us more competitive. The Breton Matrix enables us to do that, especially with the high-speed milling techniques. It's improved our speed in a huge way. Teamwork is absolutely key to our success. We identified from the start that Breton had the same ethic as us with teamwork. Very well together as a team, and between us and Breton, we work fantastic as a team as well.
We're confident that the things that Breton has in the pipeline will be relevant to us and will be available to us as we move forward with Breton.